Imagine starting your morning not with that familiar sluggishness or cold hands and feet, but instead feeling a warm surge of energy coursing through your body. Right now, before we dive deeper, click the link below this video and discover CircO2 nitric oxide booster directly from the official site, because what you're about to hear could change how you age, how you move, and how you feel every single day. All thanks to one overlooked but powerful molecule your body desperately needs. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide isn't just a buzzword. It's the invisible force that keeps your blood flowing, your brain sharp, and your heart beating strong. Yet by age 40, your natural production of nitric oxide plummets. That decline isn't harmless. It's linked to fatigue, brain fog, cold extremities, and rising blood pressure. CircO2 nitric oxide booster was designed precisely to counter that. Unlike generic capsules, CircO2 is a fast-dissolving tablet infused with beetroot powder, hawthorn berry, and essential nutrients. Place it under your tongue, let it melt, and it starts supporting nitric oxide levels almost instantly, helping your blood vessels relax and transport oxygen-rich blood where your body needs it most. Imagine the difference. Within minutes, many users say they feel their fingers and toes warming up. Thinking feels clearer, and that cloud of fatigue starts to lift. Over weeks, it's not just about fleeting energy. It becomes steady, everyday vitality. People report healthier blood pressure, better endurance during walks or exercise, and even improved recovery afterward, all because their bodies finally have the nitric oxide needed to support optimal circulate. And it doesn't stop at energy. CircO2 can help you face the day with more stamina and even support sexual health by encouraging better blood flow. It's stimulant-free, non-GMO, and crafted in the USA with high-quality standards, which means you get real support without harsh chemicals or caffeine crashes. The quick dissolve design means no swallowing big pills or messy mixing. You just let it melt on your tongue and get on with your day. Think of what better circulation truly means. A heart that doesn't strain as hard, muscles that recover faster, and a brain that stays sharp even on demanding days. Picture taking the stairs without feeling winded, walking longer distances without heaviness in your legs, and enjoying time with family instead of being sidelined by fatigue. This isn't about empty promises. It is about supporting your body's natural processes that slow down with age. CircO2 comes from Advanced by a trusted name in nutritional science, and it's backed by a no-risk satisfaction guarantee. If you try it in Dante, feel the difference. Even if the bottle is empty, you can get your money back. That's real confidence in the product, and gives you every reason to simply try it and see how your body responds. Thousands of users say CircO2 has become part of their daily routine because it helps them feel more alive, more active, and more engaged. And what is truly remarkable is that it doesn't promise to rewind time. It helps your body do what it was naturally meant to do, create nitric oxide to keep your blood flowing and your cells nourished. So if lately you've felt your age catching up to you, colder hands, heavier legs, slower recovery, or simply that dragging fatigue, don't ignore what your body is telling you. Click the link right below this video now. You'll see full details, science-backed explanations, and special offers to help you get started. Remember, It's not just about living longer, it's about living better. And sometimes the difference between feeling older and feeling vibrant is giving your body what it's missing. Check out CircO2 today. See how it can fit into your life. And discover the everyday power of healthier circulation and renewed energy. Click now because your future self deserves it.